These are the scariest bird sound in the world, and you won't believe how terrifying the last one is. Before we start, prove that you are not an alien by tapping the like and subscribe button, because the alien can't do that, only the real humans. The Piha Bird, one of the loudest birds on Earth. Its screech sounds like a scream of terror. In the rainforest, it echoes so sharply it's often mistaken for a person yelling. The Shoebill Stork. Its call sounds like a machine gun. Rapid-fire bill claps with a deep, menacing growl. Combine that with its dinosaur stare. Nightmare fuel. The Kiwi. A high-pitched shriek that slices through silence.